So everyone has heard of the term 4G, but what is 5G? Well, 5G simply is the next generation of mobile networks. Just like you can connect to the internet, watch videos, download movies, you will be able to do that with 5G. Now, 5G has a lot of pros. The pros include faster speeds, better connection, better reliability. How do we get that? Well, we need a much higher dense infrastructure by the way 5G is designed. It uses very high frequency wavelengths that don't have a lot of range. This small amount of range means that mobile carriers need to invest a lot of money and time into building their infrastructures. So let's put this in perspective for you. Say you're walking down the street and you have perfect 5G coverage. You're getting great speeds and you're not having any issues. Well, you turn the corner and next thing you know, you look up in the top right hand of your phone and it's back to 4G. Well, that's because you broke direct line of sight with that tower, which means you can lose up to 80% or even full coverage of 5G. This means, like I said, AT&T, Verizon have to invest thousands of dollars just to get one city up and running with perfect 5G. So how long is the wait until we get nationwide coverage of 5G? Well, I would estimate about 4 to 5 years before we really see it. Now, let's compare it to when 4K TVs were first coming out and becoming popular. Back in 2012, LG released its first 4K TV. Just now, in 2017, 2018, and 2019 is when we're seeing full coverage of support through Netflix, Hulu, and other streaming platforms of full 4K support. That's an almost 6 to 7 year wait from when it was first introduced. So it's a transition period where we're waiting on it. The technology is there, but we have to have the pieces in place to take full advantage of it. So how do you experience 5G today? Well, there are a couple of steps you have to take yourself. Step number one is you got to get yourself a compatible 5G device. One of the only ones on the market is the Galaxy S10 Plus 5G sold by Samsung. Now that's going to start at $1,300 through Samsung, so you're going to have to invest a little bit of money yourself. Step number two, you have to be in a 5G area. There aren't many 5G areas at the moment, but one of the best at the moment is actually Providence, Rhode Island. They have decent 5G support, not full support, but you can get a taste of it. If you can't wait and you really want to experience 5G, you can always buy a flight ticket to a supporting city. And again, this is Matthew from Genius Phone Repair. Thank you for joining us for Tech Tuesday, and we look forward to seeing you next week.